Hey guys, we should go in the den now. Okay. Who's gonna go first? I am. Someone else going? Ouch. I will. Ah. So, are you gonna go? Sure. Okay, we're in the den finally. Whoa. Wow, look at this place. It looks so cool. Hi. Hi, Mother. Hi, Daisy Paw. It's called Daisy Paw Cheese. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, here's a paw. Oh, hello. You guys made it. Hello. Yes, just... What? Oh, boy, hello. Sorry. I'm watching this kids today since... Oh, and my puppies. Oh, can't you just let me watch them? You don't have to watch them. Your daughter's right here. Well, didn't you tell me to watch them for a little bit at least? I can get out of there now. Boy, we're gonna miss you, Fluff Paw. Whatever. You know it's not that name. I don't care. It's Sketty Paw. Hello. Yeah, off Sketty Paw. Sketty Paw, sure old name, Mom. Yep. Should I just stay in the den for a little bit? Or do you want me to wait out there for... Do you want me to wait out there for you? Yeah, you should do that. Okay. Oh, hi, my pups. Where's the other ones? Out there.